Okay, sorry about that. This morning, essentially, I was trying to upload from an iMac. My wife bought me one. Very slick looking machine, but as with everything Apple, when it comes to working professionally, it just doesn't cut the mustard. Alright, so I'm going to redo this in Rhino for you. So I'm going Control C, Control V, and let's copy one down. So that's going to be the top of the pillar. Let me switch snap off, hang on a sec. So that'll be the top of the pillar up there somewhere. We need a smaller one, so I'm going to go scale 2D with copy. Bring that in something, I don't know, something like that. Just grab that and bring it down there. Alright, then the bottom of the column is obviously going to be down there. I'm going to just take this and I'm going to mirror it over F4 down there. Okay, so where we're going to start working with Kane, what are you doing? So sorry, my son playing Harry Potter on the iPhone there. So just to show you how I did the top part, I'm going to do a loft from there to there. Okay, and then I'm going to do another loft from there to there. Okay. 100 million ways to do this. I got the curvature. For me it's easy because I'm just so used to working with Cage Edit. So I grab all the middle ones and scale 2D from world origin. Notice I just pressed F4 there to get a world origin, which you can't do in Rhino and OS X. But painful, really. Anyway, let's not here to bitch about Rhino and OS X. Alright, so you can join these two up and cap them off if you want, or whatever the story is. What I really need to do at this point is you've got, I forgot you want yours round at the bottom, so let's dump those for now. So what we want is this curve. So I'm going to highlight that curve. I'm going to invert my selection, hide. So this is what we've got left. So you've got some columns going inwards. I'm going to explode this. I'm going to grab that, divide by say 10. Okay. And let's create a circle from that. Oopsie. Let's create a circle from that point. Say yay big. Okay. Let's copy you from that point to that point. I could have just arrayed this. That circle's a bit big, I see. Doesn't matter. Alright, so let's just get rid of those points. Okay, then you're asking me how I made them. I don't, any way you want. I'm just going to do a trim. Get rid of all of, whoops, get rid of all of this, and then that. Okay, it's not going to be the best looking columns in the world because my points are a little bit sharp there. Enter, join, array polar. Wow, if I spelled better. Okay, so that's basically our columns. Wow. Okay, that's going to be a little bit funky, but anyway. So let's join those up. Alright, so what we've got on the bottom is on the opposite end of this, your columns came out fatter, you said. Hang on a second. So Control C, Control V. Control V, and let's bring that down. Okay, now, two things you said in your post. The one, you said it was fatter, so let's go scale 2D from F4. And sort of make it fatter, and then we need to make it round. So once again I did a Cage Edit for this. I'm just going to leave it like that and grab all the in-between points like so and scale 2D from F4 and just pull them out until you get, I don't know, something approximating a circle. Not the best thing in the world, but for your purposes it'll do. Okay, so let's have a look at what we got. And because these line up perfectly with each other, you should just be able to loft directly from this one to this one and get that column. Okay, I'm not sure how fat your column is supposed to be, but for the purposes of this video I'm not going to dick around too much with it. So let's show the rest of our geometry. So we've got that. So let's take this fella. Let's take all of these. join you up and cap you, and then cap you. Okay, that bottom looks obviously ridiculously fat. I might taper that. Start of the axis is up here somewhere. Excuse me doing this by eye, but no. Just bring that back in a little bit. Yeah. Too much control. Okay, anyway, look, you get the idea. So I'm gonna draw a line to do the twist, to show you how I did the twist. I'm gonna draw a line from F4 both sides, something like that. Alright, I'm gonna grab all of this stuff. I'm gonna do a twist. Start of my axis is top of that line, bottom of the line. Let's skip to the front view. And I'm gonna roll it 180. You could have also typed in 180, whatever you want to do. And that essentially is that. Now my meshing is set very high, which is why this is taking a while. I work with jewelry, so I need fairly high meshes. I don't think you do. So let's set that to rendered. Okay, so that's basically, gee, that must be the ugliest column I've ever made in my whole life. Let's render that up into metal, chrome, bang, and okay. So essentially, you get the idea with how your column is going to work. It's up to you to whatever specific size you're after, whatever it is you want to do. Maybe don't twist that top section. Anyway, let's see now that I'm doing this on a PC whether it's going to work with the upload or not. Catch you later.